Today we are in Pickeridge Close. I'm taking you to a 3-bedroom terrace property, 2 doubles, really good size single. You've got driveway to the front, lovely garden to the back, pretty good condition throughout. You've got underfloor heating on the ground floor, which is very nice indeed. Tons and tons of space. You can see around me if I take a quick look how quiet it is around here. Okay, so if you follow me, property's just behind me here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Externally, you've got this fantastic double driveway. If you're interested in this property or would like me to come and value your home, please get in contact via telephone, email, text, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, whatever you like. Hope to speak to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.